If you want to clone apps on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to your apps section. There it is, choose it. Now find your app cloner. Now we have to agree and continue with statement of use. And here you can choose which apps can you clone. So let's press other apps, for example, and you can see the list of it. For example, we want to clone our Netflix. Let's press on create app clone, give it a couple seconds to be created. You can rename your app and give it like clone name, or you can choose the default app to open, original app or app clone. Now, as you can see, our app clone was added, and basically that's it. Now you can choose any of it and you can have multiple accounts. If you have any problems with your cloning, make sure that you have your applications at the latest versions. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.